Hey everybody, welcome back to Turn 4 Automotive Performance. Today we're going to kick in on our Lexus LS400 project. As you can see, a little bit's been done to this car already. We bought it just over a year ago as a winter beater, something for me to drive around, so not drive the Skyline or something like that. We've since sold the Skyline. The truck is in the background. This is now one of our primary project cars. So we've installed so far some 20-inch by 9 in the front, 20 by 10.5 in the back. Centerline afterburner wheels with Lexani 225/35 tires in the front and 255/30s to go on the 10.5s in the back. The car when we bought it came with Megan Racing coilovers. Today we're going to install a big brake kit, which is the LS400 super calipers with the LS400 rotors and roll center adjusters to clear out for the tie rod end. So we're going to install those today. Some braided brake lines in the front. There's also some spacers on this car, as you'll see. We're going to change out the wheel studs as well. Maybe put a front lip and some side markers on this car. Stay tuned. We're going to keep up on the Lexus LS400 project. We got paint coming up in the near future, as well as some body modifications. And we're going to get this thing ready for the show season that I hope we have here in Maine due to coronavirus. Have a good day and keep watching. Biggest problems with the second gen GS and even first gen GS chassis for Lexus, the lower ball joints tend to go. These lower ball joints, if this lets go, the entire wheel and hub assembly is gonna basically fall off and get stuck up in the fender. This oftentimes with these cars and the age of them will total the vehicle out. So you wanna be sure to, if you're doing this job, it's a good time to do your lower ball joints. These ones were done just a couple years ago. We know they're good, we put them in ourselves. So go ahead and take this time to perform the correct maintenance on your GS and make sure your car doesn't get totaled in the near future because you're working on this area of the car. So before you put on your roll center adjusters, it's really easy at this point just to undo the tie rod end, undo the lower ball joint, and swap out this piece for a unit from Moog or from Lexus OEM unit. There's no use in skipping over this at this point. If you haven't already done it, do it at this point now.